Good morning, and today we're going to look at how to register your hosting. I've chosen Digital Pacific to show you guys how to register your hosting today because they do month-to-month billing, and that keeps your upfront cost down. Now, of course, there are a lot of places where you can get hosting really cheaply, but they often ask you for like anywhere up to 36 months contract. So you're basically paying for all of that up front to get the really low price. But I found for a lot of small businesses starting out, cash flow is more of an issue than anything else. So the lower upfront cost, the better. That may mean that you're paying a little bit more in the long run, but to get yourself started, you get your website up, start making some money, and then you can look into some other options. All right, so here we go. Digital Pacific webpage here is digitalpacific.com.au. We're looking at the hosting at the top here, and we're going to go down to personal hosting. Click that and scroll down the screen a little bit. You'll see some comparison plans here. One of the most notable differences between these two plans is the amount of storage space that is available. For my money, unless you're just having like a brochure page, you're not running a blog or a shopping cart, then this one here will be suitable. But if you're going to be putting products, images, or if you're posting regularly onto a blog and updating it, you're going to need more space than 1 gig. I mean, sure, you can probably get away with it for a while, but at some point you're going to go over a gigabyte. So I recommend using this personal standard account. It's going to give you a more bang for your buck. What I'll do here is we'll just change this to the 1 year so you can see the price. For 1 year, you're looking at about $10 a month. Now the good thing is I think you can get the first month for free. Let me just see where I saw that. I think I clicked on this details button here. There you go, there's a 30-day free trial. So really, there's nothing up front, which is pretty awesome. You can get your hosting started without paying a cent. So you pay for your domain name. In the previous video, 30-day free trial. We'll just select 1 year from this menu, and then we'll click 30-day free trial. You read the fine print. Basically tells you that it will be converted to the monthly billing cycle at the end of the 30 days. So you're going to put in your details. They're going to bill you every 30 days for the monthly service fee. You can cancel it too. So, but anyway, read it yourselves, guys. That way you've got all the information. Right. So here's the details of our plan. Now our hosting details down here this is what we need to pay attention to, because we just bought a domain with a different registrar. You can, if you would like to, register a new domain here instead of on the previous video. If you were to do that, of course, you'll be paying for that one through Digital Pacific. So what have we got? Just to give you an idea, we'll check the availability, and it will come up with the price for that domain. So it's come up here, tassieblades.com. They're asking you for $14.90 for that domain. Now, of course, we grabbed our other domain for $5. So, if you want the simplicity of just doing it all in one place, pay the extra $10 and do it here. For me, or for you guys, if you've already registered it at Cheap Domains or crazydomains.com.au, choose this one, which is I have an existing domain with Digital Pacific or another provider. So we have one with another provider. We just want to redelegate it, and we're not transferring it. So we punch the name in here. Now remember, I went back and I actually registered a different domain. westways.com, and I'm going to redelegate that to this host. So, and the great thing is, total due today, $0. That's excellent. Of course, our account will be billed extra for each month that we stick around. So now we'll just go to the checkout. Alright, so this is the part where we're into all of our personal information. I'm just going to pause the screen here while I complete this info, and then we'll see what's on the next page. Okay, so I filled in all that info, and I'm just going to hit the next button. Now we can, oh that's cool, BPay. We can pay with credit card or with BPay. Again, I'm just curious about this. It takes up to 2 business days. So in order to immediately access, we've got to use our credit card, which is fine. They're going to direct debit from the card. $0 today, but they'll put that on their file, and don't worry, they'll use it later on when it's time to pay your monthly bill. I'm just going to punch in my details here, so bear with me again while I fill it in. Just a minute. Okay, so I've filled that in, and we're just going to press the next button. And a summary of our order: personal standard web hosting for the domain that we registered earlier. We've got a discount, and the total due today is $0, which is pretty awesome. No, I haven't. Well, I guess I probably have. Let's agree and continue. And we're in. Okay, so this is our dashboard for our hosting. So that's pretty much the end of the video for now, because I'm going to go ahead and make the next video about how to direct your your domain name over into your hosting. So I'll start from there with the next video. I'll talk to you soon.